Rising from the depths of menopause. I'm from Taichung Bodhi Meditation Center. I developed insomnia during my menopausal years. It was hard for me to concentrate. I became hot-tempered. Menopause gave rise to many health issues, including heart palpitations and hot flashes. I frequently turned bright red. I also suffered from bladder leakage. A minor cough or movement would prompt leaking. So, my best option was to stay at home. Then my mom passed away. I lost a treasured person, the one I could rely on. At that time, I felt nothing was worth holding on to. I thought of giving up. I couldn't sleep because of menopause. I often woke up after just an hour of sleep. I felt like I never slept at all. I went to a TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, doctor. The doctor said that my problems were menopause-related. He said I was suffering from depression and prescribed antidepressants and hormones. He also prescribed tranquilizers. The medications did help me sleep for several hours. But when I got up the next day, I felt some discomfort in my head and neck. I stopped taking those medicines. I'd had severe gastric issues for about 10 years. And the symptoms were very close to those of gastric ulcers. I had a gastroscopy almost every year. The doctor prescribed supposed wonder drugs, but the medications didn't help much. When I first saw her, she was overweight and sad. She didn't look healthy. She couldn't even walk to her room on the 4th floor. She was actually crawling to her room because of her weak legs. I joined Bodhi meditation in September 2011. It was my first health and happiness retreat. On the 4th day, I found myself really hungry. Even after eating a lot, I still felt very hungry. Normally, I couldn't eat much because of my gastric problems. I'd feel pain if I ate too much, or when I was hungry. Even painkillers couldn't relieve my pain. It was a miracle. I ate a lot, yet I still lost weight. In the end, I lost 10 kilograms and no longer put on extra weight. After that, I practiced really hard, at least 5 hours a day. Whenever the center held a retreat, I'd sign up. My physical condition got better and better. After the chanting retreat in 2012, I started sleeping well. I found myself really lucky. During the level 2 retreat, we were asked to jump. I did, and I didn't wet my pants. No bladder leakage. Her health condition has improved a lot. She looks full of energy now. She aspires to volunteer at the meditation center. During that period of time, I would have preferred death over life. My transformation gave me confidence in Bodhi meditation's Dharma practices. I then joined as a volunteer. I started with cleaning, and then began helping with light offering. I'm grateful to Bodhi meditation and Master's teachings for the transformation of my life. Health is what I hope for most.